So today I'm bringing you guys a red and pink smoky eye, more so on the red side. This would definitely be suitable for Valentine's Day, which is basically like almost here, honestly. It's a very simple look, only use 2 colors, very simple, very easy to achieve. So if you have not already done so, if you are not part of the royal gang, make sure you hit the subscribe button right down there. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I'm on your screen, tablet, wherever, whenever you want to watch me, okay? And make sure you give me a thumbs up, leave some comments down below on how y'all feeling the look, if this look is for you or not. And without further ado, let's get down to business. Hey y'all, hey. All right, so here's what we are going to do today. Today I really have like this Valentine's Day look in my head, and I'm really hoping that it comes out right on camera. So first things first, am I going to start with my eyes first? Because lately I've been doing my face first. Oh, my skin looks horrible. My skin is kind of like going through something right now. I don't know. So let's see if this comes together. So bear with me, y'all.
Starting off with the Milk Hydro Primer. This is what I'm going to put all over my face. I don't know how I feel about this yet, but I'm just going to put it all over my face and tap it in. And y'all already know there's no tutorial without the cold pop break. Now back to regular scheduled programming. I'm taking this Morphe double-ended pencil that I've actually really been liking, this brow pencil, and it's $5. $5 at Ulta. I've been doing my brows very naturally lately. Just filling it in, shaping it out, filling it in, shaping it out.
Lately I've really been gravitating more towards a natural brow. Soft is there, and you don't gotta do too much to make it show, you know. That's really what I've been gravitating towards.
Now that the brows are on, I'm going to take the Born This Way concealer in the color Butterscotch. And I'm just going to clean that up under the brow. I'm just taking this lighter concealer and I'm cleaning it up under the brow. Whatever excess concealer that I have goes on top of my eyelid, and that's going to serve as my primer for the colors that I'm about to apply. For the colors, I'm just going to use 2 colors, and I'm going to go into the Festival palette by Juvias Place. Going into this red color, I'm going to apply it with the crease brush from the Royal Brush set. I'm going to pack on the color first. I really want to pack on that red. I want to make sure it's very pungent, it's vivid. And then I'm going to carve out my crease, give my eye the shape that I like. Now going in with the big fluffy blending brush, I'm going to take that and basically do windshield wiper motions so I could blend out the red a little bit. I'm not trying to blend it out too high because I'm still trying to keep it smoky. And going back in and adding that red, making sure it's nice and vibrant, and blending. When it comes to colors, take your time because blending is key. Taking this pink called EDG, I'm going to use that as my transition color. I'm going to pat that on and then blend it. The pink kind of hides in, but of course remember it's a transition color. Taking a clean fluffy brush, I'm going to just blend everything out seamlessly. And then look at that. The look is basically almost done. Literally. Packing in some red some more to make sure the red is still there, it doesn't disappear. Foundation time. I'm using the Juvias Place Foundation. I don't know how I feel about this, but it does its job. It's mattifying, it's dry, it's a little heavy for me, but it does match my skin very well if I do say so myself. Patting that on with the Royal Brush Set, and now I'm going to contour with the black Opal stick, and I believe this is in the color Black Walnut. And I'm going to blend out my contour. Of course, contour my forehead as well. And I'm going to contour my nose with a stippling brush. Now for concealer to highlight, I'm going to take the same concealer from earlier, the Butterscotch from Too Faced, and I'm just going to apply a little bit in the inner tear duct and in the upper corner of my eye. Of course, the little tree on top of my forehead, my chin, Cupid's bow, all that jazz. I've really been liking this blending brush from Real Techniques to blend. I don't know what it's called, but I think it's called a blending brush. But to blend, I really been liking this brush. So I blend with this, blend my nose, and I'm going to blend it underneath my eyes. This brush makes blending very easy, if I do say so myself. Once I finish blending, I'm going to go in and make sure it's well blended with the foundation brush. You already know the Royal Brush Set, period. And I'm going to bake with my Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm going to use the Royal Beauty Sponge to push that Sacha Buttercup into my skin to make sure I'm well set and well prepared. With the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, I'm going to take the darker colors and set my contour. And then I'm going to contour my nose using the flat top brush from the Royal Brush Set. With the same red, I'm going to smoke out underneath the lash line. And then I'm going to go in with the pink again and just go along the edges of that red to make sure that I add the hints of red and pink for the holiday.
Okay, so the eyes didn't come out bad. I really wanted to put a red glitter liner like in the crease, but my red glitter liner dried out. So I guess mine is gonna have to stay smoky, which I think is still sexy.
Now going in with the Wet n Wild H2O waterproof liner. This is what I'm going to use to add a nice little wing, you know. Valentine's Day, you want to be real cute, gotta add a little wing liner. And I'm going to use the Crayon Case blush binder and use that coral color. This blush binder, yo, everything. I love this blush binder. I'm going to push in the excess Sacha Buttercup into my skin, and then I'm going to prepare to set my face with the MAC MSF in Dark Deep. I'm going to take my powder brush from the Royal Brush Set and pack that all over my skin.
Here's what eyeliner mode looks like. Like, it looks simple, but girl, when you put it on, like, it's just what you need. So this lash style is still available on my website, www.sheisroyalty.net. In addition to the world's most waterproof eyelash adhesive, period. And can't forget the lash applicator.
For my lip liner, I'm just going to use a dark brown liner from Wet n Wild. I think this is Simma brown. I'm pretty sure it is. Apply my lashes. Y'all see that lash? Shop She Is Royalty, period. SheIsRoyalty.net to shop. Now I'm going to tightline my under eye with the Milani Kohl Kajal pencil. And the gloss. This is the Sephora Lip Plumping Gloss in number 2. Oh, this gloss is everything. I love this gloss. Add a little highlights. And honey, she is put together, and that's on who? Mary Had a Little Lamb, okay?
It wasn't as extra as I wanted, but it came together. So here we have the finished look, a red smoky eye that is perfect for Lover's Day, Valentine's Day, Single Awareness Day, whichever you want to call it, whatever floats your boat. Just know wherever I will be pretty, and I will be sitting pretty on purpose. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope y'all enjoyed this makeup look. Hopefully this inspires you guys to do this look for your special Lover's Day. If you have not subscribed already, make sure you do so. Click the red button down there. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I'm on your screen, your tablet, your phone, wherever, whenever, and that's on who, period. Okay? I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for sticking with me. Thank y'all so much for loving me. Thank y'all so much for missing me, because girl, it feels good to be back. Back. Okay, so on that note, I will see you guys next time. Bye.